Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find and download your cash statements. Whether you need them to track your funding, check payments, or prepare for tax, this tutorial will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Cash app. Tap your profile icon, usually in the top right corner of the home screen. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on documents. This will lead you to a section with all your available and financial records. Next, you see different categories, account statements. Here shows all your cash activity by month, savings statement. If you use cash savings, stock statements, or any investing you have done, and demands including tax if you if you want to see monthly statement, you will click on the statement and you go to select the monthly statement. After that, you see the which month statement you want. If you just tap on the section, you need to pick the month or date and view or download the PDF. After downloading, you will print with your printer this statement for your future purpose. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.